Hello everyone. In this video, let's continue to learn how to code expert advisors. We will learn a new API. This one, get data. This API is very useful. We can use it to get the historical data of the specific chart or get some output of the specific indicator. And how to specify which chart to be sourced from. We need to use handle. And we will get the handle of the chart or the handle of the specific indicator by using the two APIs. We will open a chart by using getChartHandle, and it will return the handle of the specific chart. And we can add an indicator to the chart by using getIndicatorHandle. It will return the handle of the specific indicator. Okay, so we can use these two values as our parameters to get the historical data or the output of some indicator. And this EA's logic is very simple. When the moving averages latest data is greater than the latest close value of the candlestick, then we will pop up a message that said the SMA is above the close value of the last candlestick. If the moving averages latest data is smaller than the close value of the candlestick's latest data, then we will pop up this message. The SMA is below the close value of the last candlestick. Okay, let's see if it can run correctly. We need to copy the source here and run it. It's done. And a new EA is created. And then we run it. Now you can see the message show up. Okay? Correct. Cool. Okay. This is our new API. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.